Hey there, let's unbox the Yale Assure Lock 2 keypad with Wi-Fi. First up, there's an envelope with all the important documentation, including the user manual and setup instructions. Next, we have the smart module for Wi-Fi. It adds remote control through the Yale Access app, so whether you're at work or grabbing coffee, you can lock and unlock your door straight from your phone. Here's the exterior keypad, which goes on the outside of your door. It has a slim design that fits any home, and the touch keypad means no more searching for keys. It's also weather resistant, so it can handle rain, snow, and heat. Now here's the interior lock and mounting plate, which go on the inside of your door. And good news, it runs on just 4 AA batteries, which are included. You'll get plenty of use before needing replacements, and the app will alert you when the batteries are low. Finally, inside this box is all the installation hardware you'll need. Screws, strike plate, door sense module, and more. No need to run to the hardware store. Everything's included.